Hello everybody, welcome back to today's daily vlog. Not daily because I haven't been uploading a lot lately, but welcome back to today's Roblox video, guys, and I'm just playing some jailbreak, and so I make sure to if the hack gets, this is my wallpaper, I made it myself, yeah. So I'm going to open up my Noclip that I use, so here we go, bang. I don't know why, but my computer froze for a minute, but bang, guys, we're all done. Now just switch back as a prisoner. Bang, there we go, see that? Did you guys see that? Bang, there we all go. We all set now, guys. We could like move cars because the Hulk. No, not the Hulk. But we got two saves. Of course. But just to let you guys know. Yo. What the? No way did this. That's just sad, but my dude just started spazzing out. But I'm getting crazy lag. Oh, what the? Okay, so this is not how I planned the video to go, because I didn't expect camping cops to be here. But I don't mind camping cops, because you know what? I love the haters. The haters just make my videos even better. But so, you know, we don't even need to go over there, we could just escape and just walk through this terrain, and as you see, we're still criminal. Yeah, so I do have the Lamborghini. I bought the dirt bike, bought the ATV, and now I bought the Lamborghini. So thanks to all you guys that stuck around with me, and I got the radio too. If I wanted to play some music, and auto garage too, extended duffel bag, and we have like all kinds of skins. Oh, this, wait, did camera go up? Dang. No, I like this one. This one suits me. And that dude's gonna try and get me. And I got level 5 engine, level 3 brakes, and thank you guys so much for the support on the last video. I was able to buy that. So where's my graphics? There we go. Graphic quality is up because I got me a new computer, new graphic quality. Bang! We just got everything for this video. Is that what I mean? And no, of course it's not open. It's me. And so it's a Noclip. It's just really nice to use. Oh, wait, is this open? Oh. Hey, this dude's also not open. I'm just following him. Oh my gosh. See, yeah, I just, this hack, if you guys want me to do a video on it, I will be open to doing a video of how to do it, all the downloads, this does not give me a virus. I would never do something to my viewers to hurt their computers or anything, especially because this is like a YouTube. It's what's the guy? You guys are so loyal that I would never do anything to infect your computers with viruses, because I know how it is to get scammed by some random dude because you wanted to Noclip. I know how that works, and this one works as long as you're watching this video. So yeah, this is just like an update, and I will be posting a new you know, if we could hit 10 likes in 24 hours, I will do a Noclip video. And I'm not joking, this is just straight proof. If only there was a way that I could like demonstrate it. So I'll be right back when something has at least opened. Bye. Okay guys, no, what, no, I was just about to go and demonstrate it. Be right back guys. Okay guys, so, what? No. Jeez, I hate when this happens. And like, if this is gonna include full instructions, and yeah, the video that I was talking about, I'm gonna make it. No matter what, if we even hit 5 likes on this video, and at least 10 views, and I will make a video on it. Shotgun's all I need. Alright, so the bank was opening because that's where I was arrested at. So I'm gonna head over to the bank and see if we can get that one. Yes. My super fast level 5 Lambo. Wait, did we just hit the chords? It's pretty awkward. But yeah, like I said, I did get the ATV. And I'm gonna be doing a 50k cash giveaway. My word. Pretty soon. Alright, see this? Look. This is the walkthrough. Why is that dude tasing me? I fell in— what? This is weird. So apparently now if you fall into the water, then you also die? Okay. Very interesting. Be right back when we're at the bank. Okay, yeah, so this opened. You don't need to pick that wall, you can just walk straight through. And bang. You're robbing it. Straight away. And then as soon as you're just like breaking them, and then I'm just breaking them. As soon as I get max bag, I'm gonna show you guys what to do right after. So yeah. Okay guys, so I have max bag. I just walk through here, and that dude was trying to get me. Ha! No. No, they arrested some random dude. But as soon as you're done, since here, go over here, jump, and robbery success. Just get easy 6k cash. So I would like to thank you guys all so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to please slam that like button. It really enjoys my day and makes me happy whenever I see that people actually do enjoy my content. And make sure to like and subscribe so you guys don't miss that video where I show you guys how to Noclip. So yeah, without further ado, goodbye.